Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voike. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my current favorite body care products. Now, I've been trying out these products for quite some time now, and I completely love them. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, the first product which I have is this Daily Exfoliating Body Wash by Chemistat Play. It has 4% of exfoliating acids in the form of lactic acid, salicylic acid. Now, I absolutely love this body wash. It has a beautiful fragrance. It lathers really well on the skin. It has lactic acid as well as salicylic acid, which has exfoliating properties. Now, lactic acid is an AHA or alpha hydroxy acid, whereas salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. So, this is a very good body wash if you have body acne or if you have pigmentation on your skin. It gently exfoliates the dead skin cell layers and gives a smoother complexion. Now, this body wash also contains vitamin E, which has moisturizing properties. Sure about it. But I got this one from Amazon, which contains both lactic acid as well as salicylic acid. And I totally love this one. It has a very good formulation. It works really well on my skin. I don't use any kind of exfoliating body wash on a daily basis. I only use any kind of exfoliating body wash which contains either glycolic acid, salicylic acid, or lactic acid only twice or thrice a week. Now, the second product which I have is this newly launched Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Acid Body Wash. Now, it contains gulab extract along with 1% glycolic acid as well as glycerin. Now, this one is also an amazing body wash. It has a very mild scent of roses. It lathers really well on the skin, and as it contains 1% glycolic acid, it is the smallest AHA which helps in gently exfoliating the skin. It helps in removing dead skin cell layers and gives a smoother complexion. And if you have strawberry skin, using exfoliating body wash can really help a lot. It also contains glycerin, which helps in moisturizing the skin as well as giving a supple look to it. And the gulab extract has anti-inflammatory as well as antioxidant properties. It also helps in soothing the skin and leaves a very nice mild fragrance. Now, the next product which I have is this Anjaram Roll-On by Chemistat Play. It contains 5% alpha hydroxy acid. Now, this one I have in peach fragrance. Now, as it contains 5% AHA, it has exfoliating properties. So, while using it as an underarm roll-on, it will help in gently exfoliating the underarm skin, and it will also help in lightening the pigmentation. So, either you can use any kind of glycolic acid toner or cream, or you can use this Chemistat Play underarm roll-on because it smells really nice. It helps in exfoliating the skin very nicely. It is very mild on the skin, very gentle on the skin, and it also helps in reducing any kind of hyperpigmentation. Now, the next product which I have is this Fix Derma Salisa body spray. Now, this one is for body acne. If you have frequent clogged pores or if you have body acne, this spray is really good for acne-prone skin types. You just have to spray this product on the affected area and leave it on, and then follow up with a moisturizer on top. So, it contains salicylic acid, which has keratolytic properties. It is a BHA, and it helps in unclogging the pore as well as it also helps in getting rid of strawberry skin. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I don't use exfoliating products every single day. I only use them 2 to 3 times a week. So either I use a Salisa body spray or I use any kind of exfoliating body wash in order to get rid of any kind of clogged pores. Now, the next product which I had is this Dermaco's 1% Kojic Acid Serum Body Lotion. I absolutely love this one. This one is my third bottle. It contains 1% kojic acid along with alpha-arbutin and vitamin C. Now, if you have pigmented skin or uneven skin tone, kojic acid is one ingredient which is absolutely wonderful. Kojic acid is a tyrosinase inhibitor which helps in reducing the production of melanin in the skin, which will ultimately help in reducing dark spots as well as uneven skin tone. So I use this body lotion once or twice a day according to my preference. It also contains vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties, and vitamin C is also an ingredient which helps in reducing any kind of pigmentation, and this serum body lotion provides a nice glow to the skin. And after using this body lotion for a very long period of time, I feel that it has made my skin more even toned. The next body lotion which I have is the Tea Tree and Lactic Acid Body Lotion by Dr. Sheth's. Now, it has 10% lactic acid, tea tree oil, 1% salicylic acid, as well as licorice extract. Now, it has exfoliating agents, it has brightening agents. So this is a kind of body lotion which you can use if you have strawberry legs or strawberry skin. So this is my second bottle. I've used up the first one, and this is also half finished. So this is also one of my favorite body lotion which are available in the market, as it also contains lactic acid in it. So lactic acid also works as a gentle exfoliating agent which gives a brighter as well as radiant complexion. Now, the next product which I have is this Glyco 6 cream. Now, this is not exactly a body care product, but I really love to use this 6% glycolic acid cream on areas where I need a good exfoliation. For example, I really like to use this Glyco Dermaco 6 cream at the back of my neck, on my knuckle, on my elbows, knees, wherever I see any kind of pigmentation, because it works really well and it is easily available in any medical store. Now, the last product which I have is this Nykaa Fragrance Mist. So this is the Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Mist. This one smells really good. It has a very floral kind of smell. You just have to spray it on your body after taking a bath, and the fragrance lingers for a very long period of time. So this one is a body mist which I'm currently using, and I absolutely love this one. Now, I don't have a separate body sunscreen. I use the sunscreens which doesn't work on my facial skin. I use them on my body and they work really fine. So I leave the link of all the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So this is all for today. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe.